hands-on training will not be recorded. Any recordings will not be available. And you have to be with me for learning. Okay. And I have created a Google Classroom for you people. And anyway, I will this is not to giving me examination and all. This is just for sharing some documents while we are doing this thesis and report thing. I have to give you and share you something to download. For that purpose, I have created a Google Classroom, and whenever needed, I will give you the class code. Okay. And all of you are familiar with Google Classroom, I know. And anyway, we are going straight away to the session. And I have send you an email stating that you have to download the MITIC. And I hope all of you have downloaded and installed, right? And that one important thing is you have to respond. Otherwise, this hands-on training will be utter waste. Okay. So you have to respond me whenever I ask something. You have to respond. It is just a workshop, not a lecture. You keep that in mind. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to answer me, otherwise it will not will be. So whenever I started that sharing my screen, the message I couldn't see the messages, so you have to turn on your audio and speak out. Okay. So in whenever time, wherever you want, you can interrupt me, no problem, and I am ready to explain many times. Okay, no problem. So you have to understand, or you have to learn the Latin. That's my aim. Okay, so you can interrupt me at any point of time. Okay, I am ready to repeat anything for you. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Okay. Before going to the hands-on, I just want to say something about the basics, and then we will go to the hands-on. Okay. So about me, I have actually completed my BTech then from Sri Lanka College of Engineering and the Kerala University of Kerala. My branch is Electronics and Communication Engineering in the year 2002, and I have done my MTech in 2011 and from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal, and I did my PhD then at College of Engineering, Trivandrum. My research title was Investigation on Nanocapacitors as Energy Storage Device in the year 2020, and I am working at that SCT Sri Lanka College of Engineering from January 2003 onwards. And first of all, we have to install LaTeX, and I hope all of you have installed. Okay, so let's go to the basics. Okay, before going to the hands-on, before opening the LaTeX, we have to know the basic things required in the LaTeX. Okay, so first is document class. So documents are of that article type, report type, and book type. Okay, so we have inbuilt document class by the LaTeX. So before that, I have to tell you one thing. Some people are using that overleaf, LaTeX overleaf, and for this workshop, do not use this. I request all of you, do not use overleaf. You just learn from scratch. Okay. So you just download the MITIC and we can do from there. Please don't use overleaf. If you use overleaf, you won't learn. Okay. So first learn, then afterwards you can use overleaf. For this workshop, you don't use overleaf. Okay. So document classes are article, report, and book that are inbuilt by the in the LaTeX software. And for this document class, this is the code command. Latter code is backslash is required document class, and we have to write the option 1, option 2, option 1 and option 2. What all options are there we will discuss. And if it is the article type, we have to write article, and if it is report, then book. So these are three other main or commonly used classes, document classes in LaTeX. Okay. So anyway, after the declaring document class, we have to write begin document and end document. So all the things which should come in between these two. So this is the major command, begin document and end document. So we will write all the things in between these two. Okay. And we can, the director has as an inbuilt different, mainly three font size, 10 point, 11 point and 12 point. So if it is, if you require 12 point, so you just in the option 1, see here we have option 1 we can write 12 point. So that our article will be in 12 point size, 12 point font size. So in the 12 point font size as well, or in 10 point or 11 point, we have different commands. See, if I select 12 point font size and I just want to be my heading or title of the article should in 25 point. Okay, so I can use the code word or a LaTeX or a command huge. If I use huge, it will convert to 25 point. So even though the normal size is 12 point, in the 12 point font standard font size, if I use a huge or if I use a large, that portion of the text will convert to 20 point. And then anyway we will look into that while doing the hands-on. So this is just to tell you that these options are there. Many options are there to adjust the font size. And afterwards we can set the paper size and format. We have A4 size, letter paper size, A5, B5, executive paper, legal paper, etc. So in which paper we have to take print out, we can set before that printing. Okay. So for that, see here, say option 2, I can give A4 paper. Even if I didn't write even A4 paper, it is default for the article. Okay, in some distributions, some document class, letter paper will be the default. Okay, usually if it is an article and thesis, etc., even if we didn't specify say A4 paper, it will be A4. It is by default. Whether I have to change to A5, I can just put by just keeping that A4 to replacing A4 by A5, we can change the alignment at all. Okay. So there is an option for multiple column and multiple column. See, if usually it is one column, and if I want some text to be two column, I can use the two column. This is the optional word. That in the document class we have many options, and this is one option. If I write say one column, it will be in one column. So this is by default it is one column, so no need to write one column. Otherwise also it will come as one column. If I want two column, then just write in the place of option, just write two column. That document or that content will be formatted into two column. There is an option for more than two columns also, that we will discuss in the hands-on session. And we have single and double-sided documents. See, in some say some assignment, we have to take single side print, and if I write a book, then that book should be in the two-sided. Okay, so I can by writing one side in the option. If I write one side, it will be set as for taking one side print, and if I write two side, it will set as for two side. And you can appreciate this that command only after only at the end of the of this workshop. Okay. Hello? Hello?
ആ സ്മിത
ഞാൻ മ്യൂട്ടഡ് ആയിരുന്നോ? കേൾക്കായിരുന്നോ? ഞാൻ പറ ഹലോ? ഞാൻ മ്യൂട്ടഡ് ആയിരുന്നോ?
കേൾക്കാം കേൾക്കാം.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്രയും കേട്ടായിരുന്നോ?
ഇല്ലില്ല കേൾക്കാം.
ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ പെട്ടെന്ന് നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ മ്യൂട്ടഡ് പോലെ തോന്നി. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. Okay, so first of you, all of you, just take your mid-pick. Okay. So, just look at my screen. You have that text maker, right? Then open the text maker. You'll get the screen. Got it? Got it? You have to respond. This is not your classroom. This is a workshop. Take the text maker. Okay? And now go to File, New. Then only the new untyped one will come. File, New. Then just save. You just save. Before that, you have to write something, and we can write save. Document class. Document class. So let's take 12 point. And first we are dealing with article. Okay. And just save a folder. Just save to a folder. Just create a folder and save it. Then you can save. Done. Done. Amal. Amal. No one will respond. You are sitting in. Kiran. It won't be useful if you are not responding. That's the problem. Okay, anyway, you have to write begin document. As I said, begin document. End document will come automatically. So begin document and end document. Okay. Then you just copy paste some text you want. Just copy paste some text. I've just taken from Wikipedia about some text about latex. You can include anything you want. I have just taken some text. Done? Are you following me? Salva? Arjun? Yeah, tell me Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
മാം ഈ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് വർക്ക്സും ഈ സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർ സെയിം ആണോ?
ടെക്സ്റ്റ് വർക്ക് കിട്ടുമല്ലോ, ടെക്സ്റ്റ് മേക്കർ ഇങ്ങനെ കിട്ടിയില്ലേ?
ഇല്ല, എനിക്ക് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് മേക്കർ വന്നിട്ടില്ല, ടെക്സ്റ്റ് വർക്ക്സ് ആണ് കിടക്കുന്നത്.
വേറെ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും?
എനിക്കും ടെക്സ്റ്റ് വർക്ക്
ഐസ്ക്ക് ലിങ്ക് എടുക്കുന്ന ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബോക്സ് ആണ് ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്.
Yes, ma'am.
അതിലിങ്ങനെ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഓപ്ഷൻ വരുന്നില്ലേ?
ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ ഇതല്ല.
റൺ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഓപ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ അതിനകത്ത്? റൺ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഓപ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ? ഈ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ? റൺ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ?
ഒരു പ്ലേ ബട്ടൺ ഉണ്ട് മാം.
ഉണ്ടോ? അത് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്തേ. ഇത്രയും ചെയ്തോ? ഇത്രയും ചെയ്തായിരുന്നോ? ബിഗിൻ ഡോക്യുമെന്റ്, എൻഡ് ഡോക്യുമെന്റ്, ആൻഡ് ഡോക്യുമെന്റ് ക്ലാസ്. ഇത്രയും ചെയ്തെങ്കിൽ പ്ലേ ബട്ടൺ ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്തേ. വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ?
യെസ് മാം.
വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, എല്ലാവർക്കും കിട്ടിയത്? Okay. Just tell me whether you are getting or not. Just tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
മാം റൺ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്?
The right side you can see the PDF, right?
കിട്ടുന്നില്ല.
Punch ഇത് എത്ര എഴുതിയോ? ഡോക്യുമെന്റ് ക്ലാസ് ഡിക്ലെയർ ചെയ്തു. ബിഗിൻ ഡോക്യുമെന്റ്, എൻഡ് ഡോക്യുമെന്റ് ചെയ്തു. ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഇത് കയറ്റി. എന്നിട്ട് റൺ ചെയ്തു. എന്നിട്ട് ഇത് വരുന്നില്ല. PDF. Just you just go to that folder where you have see, just look at the folder where you have saved the LaTeX file. I have just saved this LaTeX file, and while running it automatically generates these much auxiliary files, and in that one is in the PDF format. Are you getting? Just go through folder. Are you getting?
മാം നോക്കുന്നു.
We have only saved LaTeX file, but while running, it will automatically created many auxiliary files like aux file, text document, PDF, then WinRAR. Okay. Ajay Krishna, okay.
ഇത് സേവ് ചെയ്യുന്ന എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറഞ്ഞുതരാമോ?
ഇത് ഫയൽ സേവ് ചെയ്തോ?
ഫയൽ സാധാരണ സേവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മീൻസ് സേവ്
സേവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഒരു ഫോൾഡറിൽ സേവ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചോളൂ. ഒരു ഫോൾഡറിൽ സേവ് ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇതുപോലെ ഓക്സിലറി ഫയൽസ് എല്ലാം കൂടെ വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പിന്നെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവും. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഫോൾഡറിൽ സേവ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. എവിടെ സേവ് ചെയ്താലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. അത് ഇവിടെ ഏത് സിയിലോ ഡിയിലോ ഇയിലോ എവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിലും സേവ് ചെയ്യാം. ഏത് ഡ്രൈവിൽ സേവ് ചെയ്താലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
ഫോൾഡർ സേവ് ചെയ്ത് എന്നിട്ട് റൺ കൊടുത്തപ്പോഴും വ്യത്യാസമില്ല. ഇതിനകത്ത് നോ ഫയൽ എന്നാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. സെക്ഷൻ 1
അത് ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്തതിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇഷ്യൂ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടോന്ന് അറിയത്തില്ല. വേറെ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഇഷ്യൂ ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? Anyone is facing this issue? Not getting this PDF? Rahul Biju, Akshara.
കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay, so Ajay, you just check with yours. Okay.
ഓക്കെ.
So let's move on. We have just created that copy paste some text and we have run it. We got this like article. Okay. So now we can check some commands. First one is font size command. Okay. So here we have that given 12 point. So make it to say 11 or 10 point and run. Just change one more thing you can say. If you want to keep the same thing and change, what you have to do is you can comment it by that percentage symbol or control T or percentage symbol. You can comment. So this line is now it is commented. Okay. So now I can change this is to say 10 point and run. See, the whole article changed in 10 point. Okay. This is by changing the option command, we can change the font size all of a sudden. Are you getting?
Yes.
Good. Then if I want to say make some portion bold, okay, some portion of the text should be in bold. So select that portion and here you have toolbar. For that you have B here, that is B for bold. Click on that. This command will automatically come. Text bold. Okay, bold font. Text BF. And wherever that bracket starts and ends, that portion will automatically change to bold. So after that, you just run. See, you can see that. And back to this 12 point and going back to the 12 point. So you can see that much, that I have selected this portion. LaTeX is a software system, and that portion became bold. Okay, and if I want some portion to be in italic, select that portion, and here you have I italic. Just click on, and the code is text IT italic, and then run. And look at that portion. You can see that became italic. Are you following? Akshara, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Similar way, you can just change, you place this, and that we will look later. Okay, and then font size, I said if I want to say this portion, I'm selecting this portion, and I can make two large. See, here are the options of tiny to huge. Okay, if we want this portion as large, just select that portion and click on large. Here it is. Or you can directly type this command. No problem. No need to click. If you didn't see this portion or toolbar, you can directly type. Okay, you can directly type and just run, and that portion, see, that portion will become that large font size. Can you see? If I want that, in addition to that, I want this portion as bold. Again, select that portion and click to bold, and run. You will get that portion as large and bold. Can you see? And here you have undo option also. If you don't want, you can go back, but by clicking undo. Or Asha, yeah, over.
Yes.
Okay, so we have changed the font size, and we have also changed the font size as on to bold, and after that change the font size to point by point. For some portion we are changing some in some bold, italics, and large. Or you can make it huge, or you can make it tiny also there. Then that portion should become too small. Okay. If I don't want, I can go back to the original by clicking undo. Okay. Now, see, I will show the text where I have copied. See, this is what I have copied. And this is having three paragraphs. This is as three paragraphs. I'm just copy paste, right? But in our article, we have only one paragraph. Okay. So I need actually three paragraphs, but this LaTeX we are only single paragraph. So how we can make it into or cut it into three paragraphs? Okay. Can you see? Can you see the difference? Yes, it doesn't feel then, see, one more thing. See, one more element we can be. Only one element I have given. One more element I have given. Okay? And then this sun. See, anything happen? Anything happen? Anything happen? No. No. Right? So, even if I am giving anything in the here, that is not responding. The latex is not responding. So, we see in this paragraph, there is a spacing between first and second paragraph. So, how can we incorporate that? By putting two tag slash in it. Two tag slash. Now, this one, you get the space. You get the paragraph. Okay. So, just like entering, we will not get anything. So, by putting two calculations and another integral space within the paragraph. Okay. Okay, do one more paragraph here also. Around tags, two tags, and then another one. Three paragraphs. Or now, see, I wanted spacing. See, this is the first sentence, right? So after that, I want some spacing. This gives you some spacing, and you see the space on, and then run. And tell me what happened. I want this space in between these lines of these two words. So I just enter the space bar and run. And tell me anything happened.
No difference.
Yeah, no difference. How we will see in some situation we need some space between the two words. So for that we have to use the command H space. H space. It will automatically come H space. And if we see, I want 2 centimeter difference. 2 centimeter spacing. Then there is one. That 2 centimeter spacing. Is that right? Can you see? There is a, yeah, there is a here, you just turn and tell me. Okay. Okay. And I have told you, so this is H space. H space, the command is H space. And I have told you, even after I enter many times and run, there is, see, there is no effect, right? So if I want some vertical spacing between the two portions, between the two sentences or between two paragraphs, I want to be some spacing in between. So what I have to do, the end command will not work. So what I have to do is, X space, we have D space. D space. And give me say 3 centimeter. Give 3 centimeter and 1. So we'll get H space. Getting? 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 You have a minute to learn.
Yes.
Okay. So if I want, say this last paragraph or anything to be next page, what I can do? I want the last paragraph to be in the next page. What should I do? Any suggestion? For that we have command new page. New page. And enter and run, you will get that portion in the new page. If I don't want, I just comment the V space. Okay. So the third paragraph came to the new page. So wherever we want that portion to be as a new page, we just type new page. The command new page. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And just giving. Yeah. And now we can go to subscript and superscript. Okay. Suppose I want to write H2O or H2O again. H2O. Run. So it came as H2O. But 2 should be a suffix, right? So for that, what I do is, you have see here, we can see subscript and superscript are here. So before giving these things, we have to insert this dollar symbol at the starting and ending. Inside only you give subscript symbol and then you can write 2 here. So I have done 2 things here. Inserted this dollar symbol. You can type dollar symbol from the keyboard itself. Dollar symbol at the starting and end point. Otherwise it will show an error. That's what. See. One more thing I will tell you. Once more I will tell you. Yes. H. If I write suffix 2, then O. If I run, it will show an error. Missing dollar. So what you have to do is, you have to enter dollar and dollar at the starting and ending of this subscript symbol, subscript command, not symbol, subscript command. Then run. So that error went and we got H2O. Can you see? Are you getting? Similar way, you can give superscript. If I want X cube, just type X and then dollar symbol. inside that superscript command and give say 5, I will get x raised to 5. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So that's called subscript and superscript. Okay, sometimes you have to enter symbols, right? So for symbols, we have, see, here you can see many things in the toolbar. We will explain all the things. Now come to the Greek letters. Greek letters. Click on that. You will get the Greek letter alpha, beta, gamma, and their small and capital letters. Before inserting this also, you have to insert this dollar symbol. Otherwise, it will show an error. So give a dollar symbol and you just click alpha. You will get alpha. Run. You will get alpha. See? And see if you want dollar symbol and you are say you will want this one sigma and say omega, gamma, anything you want, you just click on the symbol and run. And if you are continuously writing the symbols or Greek letters, only $1 at the end and $1 at the starting and $1 at the end is required. Only one. Okay. No need to insert at the end of every symbol. No need to enter dollar at the end of every symbol. First and starting and ending $1 symbol is enough. Okay. So these are the symbols. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Do you have anything now?
Kitty, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm getting it.
Okay. Akshara?
Yes, ma'am.
After this is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So let's move on to single column, two column, three columns. Okay. So for single column, we have no need to type anything because it is single column only. Right. It is by default we will get single column. If you want two column, go to the document class and give the option two column. And just you will get the document in two column. So we came to the document class and we have taken this. We have written that option two column. The document class, then run, you will get two column. Got? Abhinav VS.
Ma'am.
You got?
Ma'am.
Sukaranya?
Yes, ma'am.
You got two column?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. how we can go to 3 column. So for 3 column, there is no option like 3 column command. So okay, I am going back to for 3 column. What you have to do is after begin document, we have to enter begin multi calls. Begin multi calls. Bracket close, again bracket open, and you have to write how many columns you required. If you want 3, then just write 3. If you want 4, then just write 4. If you want 5, you can just write 5. And at the end of the document, you can write, before the end of the document, you just write end multi calls. Calls. Begin multi calls, say 3, then at the end, before the end of the document, we just give end multi calls. And just run and tell me what happened. Just run and tell me what happened. Arjun,
Yes, ma'am.
you have run.
Yeah.
Any error? Yes. Yeah. Just tell me what warning is it has given. Warning will come this side. This portion warning will come. What it is written here?
Dollar symbol. Missing dollar symbol.
Missing dollars. Actually, we have some use package to define the environment. So additional use package we have to give for multi-column. For that, before begin document, that you must be very careful. After document class and before begin document, just give the use package multi-call. Multi-call. Multi-call only. Here begin multi-calls, but here it is multi-call. So we need to define the environment multi-column using the use package multi-call. Then run. You will get multi-column. Getting now? Getting now?
No.
What happened? Akshara?
Ma'am, I'm also not getting.
What happened for you people? Begin multi-calls. You have written multi-calls, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's showing the error to be multiples undefined.
Yeah, then for that you have to define the use package multi-call.
Yeah, I've given that.
There you have given before begin document, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then that should not come now. Any other? Ajay?
No, I got it.
I don't know. Just check Akshara, you have made some mistakes in spelling about.
I'll check.
Yeah, you can see. Sukanya, what about you?
Ma'am, I have an error.
What is error?
It's saying begin multi-course and input line for something else, ma'am. End document in the word error function.
Yeah, end document. Before end document, you have to give n multi-calls. Before end document, you have to give n multi-calls. Multi-calls.
It's working, ma'am.
Oh, okay, good. Akshara, what about you, Arjun?
Yes, ma'am, it's working. I made the same mistake.
Okay. Okay.
Very
Okay.
good.
Yeah, okay, good. So if you want, say, multi equals 5, you just give number 5, replace 3 with 5 and 1. You can see 5 columns are there. Okay? Getting?
മാം
Tell me.
ഒരു ഡൗട്ട് കൂടെ ഉണ്ട്. സിഗ്മ ഒമേഗ എപ്സിലോൺ അതിനിടയ്ക്ക് സ്പേസ് വരാൻ എന്താ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
ഇതിനിടയ്ക്ക് സ്പേസ് വരാനോ? You have to see. We can give E space, H space. Just give H space. This I'll check whether this is working. Wait. Yeah, you can try this also. You just close with. You just close with the one this dollar symbol and give space and then start another dollar symbol. Okay. So
ഓക്കെ മാം.
yeah, then you will get. Okay. Then you will get. See the change. See, in between sigma, I have given one space, but omega and this gamma is inside a single dollars, pair of dollars. So it came closer, no space between. See the difference. Okay. Is that okay, Arjun?
യെസ് മിസ്.
Okay. So, see, suppose we don't want the whole things to be multi-columns. Some portion should be single column and some portion should be multiple column. For that, see, you just take this end code, cut from here and say paste here and run. You can see the difference. So only that small portion of the text will be 5 column and the rest of this is single column. Okay. So bird, I think we may change that. It's a problem with the word, I think you have to check. Here in single page itself, we can make multiple column and single column. Okay, done? Done?
യെസ് മിസ്.
Okay. Then we have to see. Sometimes we have to itemize. See. I'm copy-pasting one thing. See. This is it. The 5 options from the smallest to largest are articulation, southern ocean, etc. So I want, see, if I run, this will come in a single line. I want this to be as say points, bullets. You have to use in some PPT presentations. You have to use some bullets, right? So for that, we require is itemize. Okay, the code is itemize. So begin itemize. So end itemize will come along with that. We'll just cut and paste here. Okay. So begin itemize and end itemize. And for getting bulletin, bullets you have to write item. This is first item, and for the second item you again write item. Okay. So let's run and see what happened. See. Now it came as the 5 oceans from Sonsla jar, first bullet, the articulation. And second, the whole thing. So for getting next one, you just enter here and put item and run. Yeah. Then similar way, rest of the things. So this is you need this thing while doing the presentation and all. Are you getting? So begin itemize, end itemize, and each one are items. Getting?
Yes.
Good. So other than bullet, I just want number 1. 1, 2, 3, etc. What I have to do is item. See, while you type item itself, you will get some other thing. Item in square bracket. You just put that one and run and check. So that bullet has become 1. Right. Bullet changed to 1. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you don't want that one, you just want, say, A. You just type in that bracket, you just type write A, you will get A. So if sometimes we want, say, we have to list like A, B, C, D, or sometimes we want to list it by 1, 2, 3, like that. So if you want capital A, B, C, D, like that, just put capital A here. You will get that one. If you want some Roman letters, you can give that one. So anything we want, we can give. In any way, we can represent the itemize. Okay? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And see, if I want this as 1 dot, then also it is possible. It will look like this, 1 point, 1 dot, like that. If you want after A, if you want this, say this thing, you will get that portion. If you want in both brackets, you will get that. So anything you are giving inside this square bracket, you will get that. Yeah,
Ma'am, I put slash item, the articulation, but I'm not getting the bullet.
what you have done, item is you have written item is right, Abhisha?
Oh, I didn't write that. Okay, maybe that's the problem.
Yeah, it's the problem. Begin item is and end item is should be there. Okay. Okay, so anything you want, any representation you can give inside this, the square bracket that will appear at the instead of the bullet. Okay? Instead of the bullet, you will get right. Clear? Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, if you want to be if this A to be as bold, then select and give the bold and run. It came as bold. Okay. And if you want this A to be very large, you can go to this and you give the large and run. Then that will become large size. So anything you can give, whatever you are giving inside this square bracket, you will get this. And this there should not be any space between this item and square bracket. That also you have to know. If you are giving any space, say I am giving the space, item and after that space, then run, you will not get anything. Okay, item space is actually it's not considering there, so you'll get no problem. Okay, no problem there. So if after item, if our whatever we are giving in square bracket, it will appear as a instead of bullet. Okay. Then one more thing is there, that is um, enumerate. Enumerate. Begin. Enumerate. So in the enumerate also came, and I am just copy paste of the whole thing. Oh, okay. Enumerate. Begin, enumerate, and end enumerate. And there is no need to write anything. This item is sufficient. Enumerate, and each item should be written with item and see what happened. So it will come as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of bulletin, it will come as 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. That is the peculiarity of enumerate. Getting? Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today let's stop here. And tomorrow we will then continue with the basics. Basics is not over. Tomorrow also we will continue with basics and many more to learn. Okay. So tomorrow we will start sharp 5 o'clock. And now speech nothing is there. We will straight away go to the session. Okay. See before